Hey everybody, it's Neil and I'm about to go on a biking safari. So I went on Amazon and picked up this Sandugo shoes that are some mountain bike shoes. Well, they're ones with cleats on them, so I can be cleated in. Doesn't say anything about it. Nope, just says size 9. I'm usually wear about a size 8.5, 9. So let's check these things out and see what they look like. So this is what it looks like here. So it looks like a sneaker, which is kind of nice. It just looks like a sneaker, but then on the bottom of it, it's got the cleat holes. So that's kind of nice. And then same with this one here. And it looks like it's got laces and it's got the Velcro, so you can get on quick. And then it looks like it comes with some cleats. I'm not sure what these are. Oh, these aren't cleats. It comes with covers so you can seal it up and use just traditional bike. It doesn't come with any cleats. It comes with these things, I guess. So this would be if I just wanted to cover up the biking part of it. But I actually am going to want to put the cleats on it. So I'll just show you guys what it looks like. There are no cleats. So I could seal it up with that and just screw that in. And then it's just a, mountain bike cleat that you stick into the regular traditional ones. So let's see in here what we got going on. So we got our laces, and we got a huge thing of styrofoam, and that's the shoe. So let's try one of these on and see how it works. I don't have any socks on. Good thing I brought socks here. So let's see if we can aim you guys so you guys can watch me trying it on for the first time. How exciting is this? Okay, so this is it. The shoes are unlaced, and put this on. So there we go. So it's on. Let's pull the tongue here, and then I can cinch up that. It's kind of nice. I can actually, let me take this off for a second. The laces are all tied up. There we go. So here we go. I can pull this up here. I can tighten. I can do the laces. I want the laces on this side. It's weird. The laces are underneath the Velcro. Okay, so whatever. I can tighten them up if I want to tighten up the middles, like that. And then I can cinch up this as tight as I want. So there we go. So now I'm ready to mountain bike. So that's cool. Me, it seemed good. Size 9. I would probably wear an 8.5, but I guess it works with the 9 here. Maybe I'll wear some thicker socks. But these seem like they'll be pretty good. So I'm gonna say these are nice and they fit good. I'm gonna go try it on the Peloton probably tonight and see how that goes. But thumbs up for me so far. I like it. So like this video, subscribe to my channel, and the link's in the description so you can pick some up for yourselves. Thanks. Bye.